guys, okay, so I feel like actually I need a new intro because all I do is start off with hi ladies and then all the guys down in the comments are like, I can't believe that you don't include us as well. And you know, a lot of my videos are more towards women and pregnancy and things like that, so I don't know why guys would be watching my videos. But anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a story time of when we went away for the weekend. We went to Tinley Hall, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. During our time away we actually hired a nanny, and I've never done this before, and we've always, you know, had the kids with us whilst we've been eating and things like that. But the way that it worked out, unfortunately, that weekend, in order to get everyone, it was for a birthday, in order to get like the birthday person around the table as well, we were having to be eating really late at night, and I don't think it was very fair for the kids, you know, to be up at like 9-10 o'clock at night when they normally go to bed at 7 and then just be really tired. And to be honest, it was like a really posh hotel, so like a lot of their food, I'm not saying my kids are like massively fussy, but they're sort of quite basic with their food. They don't want stuff that's like with a special sauce on the side and with, you know, vegetables that are like done a certain way. Like they just want like carrots, peas, you know, and things like that. Anyway, so we had decided to hire a nanny that would sit in our hotel room and put the children to bed, and we would go down for dinner. So I was really kind of worried about this because all that kept running through my mind was the Madeleine McCann incident going back years and years ago of, you know, children being stolen from hotel rooms and stuff like that. So when she arrived, I was like really anxious. So I didn't actually tell her how I was feeling, but I just kind of said like, oh, you know, do you have any children of your own? And she was like, oh yeah, I've got 3. And she had like twins and then like another one, and I was like, oh good, so she doesn't want to steal mine. So and she sounded, you know, really genuine, and she actually had like her company name like on her top, and at the back it said Nanny, and it was like an luminous pink top, you know, you would like see her if she was like running around with kids. But yeah, so I was really anxious, and so was Matt's brother, and Matt wasn't so much, but me and Matt's brother were a bit like, oh, this is a bit like, I've never had anyone else look after, you know, the kids before other than them being at nursery school. But anyway, so we went down for dinner and we had a lovely meal, and it was so expensive, like so expensive, like I can't even, we ordered like this huge bit of meat, and it was for like 2 people, and it was £75 just for this, and I was like, oh my god, that is so much money. A really beautiful hotel. It's like a 4-star hotel. It's right in the middle of nowhere, absolutely beautiful grounds, and it's really nice, you know, to be treated to a really luxury meal. You know, it was the worst timing ever though, because I just had a sickness bug. So I don't know if you remember, like, I think it was my last video actually, I was talking about it, and I was like laying in bed and I was like, I have been so sick. And it was actually really funny, I don't know if I said on the video, but at one point I knew I wasn't going to make it to the bathroom, so I had a bowl with me, and I threw up in the bed with this bowl, and Matt just jumped out of bed so quickly. I've never seen him move so fast. It was really funny. But yeah, so I was really sick. Harry then was really sick. We were both feeling really sorry for ourselves, and now I think I'm coming down with a little bit of a cold, so but anyway, got over my sickness bug, Harry got over his sickness bug, and then we went to this, you know, beautiful meal and hotel and spa, and I'll just put a few little bits in here of where we were. You getting a drink? How many cups do you need? Hi, Harry. So as you can see, the place was absolutely beautiful, and it was a really, you know, respectful place. So the company, I can't remember what it was called, but the company that work for the hotel, they're also like a really reputable company as well. So it kind of like set me, you know, a bit, it wasn't like we were at a travel lodge and then we were just like hiring a nanny just sort of like off the streets. It was like more, anyway, she was really, really nice, and she was like, I think she was like about 41, 42, you know, she's got her own children, and it kind of like put my mind at ease. But I wanted your guys' opinions really, if you guys have ever hired a nanny, you know, at short notice, things like that, because I didn't think that, you know, I would be all for it, and I ended up going an hour early and relieving her, and we just said like, oh no, we'll pay you for, you know, up till midnight. But I just, you know, I was feeling so tired, and I was just like, I've got to get back, I've got to lay down. It was like 11:10, and I was like, I am so done. But the meal was so beautiful. I think I've got a picture of Matt's starter here. And then like this massive like meat joint. But it was just phenomenal. The food was, the flavours was absolutely out of this world. It was so beautiful. Yeah, so going on, this will be my 13/14 week pregnancy update. So I do get nauseous still, and it's more in the evenings, sort of about 4 o'clock. I just take one tablet, which is my cyclizine, and then that normally tides me over for the evening. And my evenings have been getting a little bit better, but the tiredness has just like come out of nowhere. Like I sometimes have a little bit of a nap in the afternoon, but I don't know, maybe because I had like a really busy weekend this week. Like I've been so tired, and just like obviously the bug that I had as well is probably just taken it out of me. I'm managing to eat, you know, quite well. None of the foods like make me feel sick or anything. Although that lemon chicken thing that I ate before I threw up with the bug, I've now completely gone off that, which is such a shame because that was one of my favourite dishes from Iceland. But I can eat things like chicken korma, Chinese, but not like really lamby stuff, like any meat that's like really strong, or anything like too garlicky normally kind of puts me off a little bit. And also like smells of deodorant, but like perfumes and stuff aren't too bad, but I feel like it's getting a little bit better. As you guys probably saw on my Instagram, I had with me like cute bump shots. I will just quickly show you now. So this is my tummy as of like 13-14 weeks. I find the bump quite high, a lot higher than with my boy's bump, but you know, we'll see. I've got my gender scan booked and I'm so excited about that. Oh my god, what's going on with the light? So yeah, we are so excited for that. And obviously when they do the scan at 16 weeks, they're going to look more into like the depths of like the internal organs and things like that, so like the heart and the chambers and things like that. They can see a little bit better at 16 weeks, which is always, you know, such a worry when you're pregnant, to like just hope that everything is okay and just trust your body. And I know they say like there's less than 1% chance of miscarriage after 14 weeks, but you just still can't help worrying, can you? You still hear these stories and it's like you just worry so much. Lily! What are you doing? Get down, please. Get down. Lucky the top of here is like a really thick plastic, so with the cat's nails it doesn't like puncture it. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me any comments and questions down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to me for free to follow my journey, and I will see you in my next video. Bye ladies!